we had another company that we started with, and we had an emergency and they weren't able to get out to us right away. And so I called Cardinal Heating and Plumbing, and you were able to come out right away. All the technicians have been so friendly and helpful, and they're always on time. I think we've used you for every one of the services, for plumbing, heating, air conditioning, and electrical. And we've been pleased with every single aspect of the company. Everything that has been fixed, it's fixed completely, so we haven't had any issues after that. Again, you're very friendly, easy to get an appointment, and we're never told that no, we're short on technicians or we can't get someone out here. You're very good about calling us ahead of time or getting a text message 30 to an hour before. And I really appreciate the little bio on the technician that's coming, so I know who to expect, and it just makes the whole process feel more like family friendly, like I know these people. Everything from the appointments to the setup to the installation goes flawless every time we've used you. So I definitely recommend Cardinal Heating. We've really been pleased with all of their services and the technicians and the customer service and just the quality of their work. So I would highly recommend them.